I'm Mise.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making meat pies. For the filling, I'm using the same ingredients that are found in Cornish pasties, which is potato, rutabaga, onion, and ground beef.
Let's start baking. The ingredients in the meat pies are ground beef, onion, rutabaga, potato, salt and pepper, and oil for sauteing the ground beef. Now I'm going to cut up the onion for the meat pies. It's important that the size of the onions be almost the same so they cook evenly. It's called a small dice. Cut out this part. Now we're going to put the ingredients together for the meat pies. We're going to start by sauteing the onions in a little bit of oil. I'm going to be adding equal ingredients of onions, potatoes, rutabaga, and ground beef. I'm going to prepare the ground beef by adding the salt and the pepper. I'm going to brown the meat. I want those caramelized flavors to come through. If I didn't brown this before I bake them, the meat would just steam. Now I'm adding equal parts again of rutabaga and potato. The rutabaga is a beautiful yellow color. Hope you can see that. I'm going to add just a little bit more salt and pepper to it. I think it's ready.
Now I'm going to roll out the pastry. If you don't know how to make puff pastry, please check our site, 2 Cooks, 4 Allergies, for the video.
It's time to fill the pastry with the beef filling.
And you can use things other than beef. These could be sweet pies, or you could use taco seasoning, taco mix, all kinds of different things. They're almost the shape of a Pop-Tart, so think of them that way. I'm going to be using aquafaba to go around the edges so the top will stick. And a little on the top. We're going to bake in a the 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. The meat pies are ready to eat. Eileen, are you ready to try the meat pies?
I am, and they look delicious.
You can use your hands or a fork.
Okay, thank you. Delicious. Good job, Cheri.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.